India stands on the cusp of a significant transformation in its criminal justice system. The year 2024 brings new laws that promise to reshape how crimes are investigated, prosecuted, and punished. These changes are a testament to India's commitment to a fairer and more effective legal system. The need for these changes has been apparent for many years. The pace of legal proceedings has been agonizingly slow, often denying justice. The new laws emphasize efficiency, victim rights, and modern technology. They represent a bold step towards a fair and responsive legal system. 3 new laws form the bedrock of this overhaul: the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, 2023, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, BSA, 2023. These laws replace the Indian Penal Code of 1860, the Code of Criminal Procedure of 1973, and the Indian Evidence Act of 1872, respectively. The BNS 2023 is the new penal code for India. It redefines existing offences and introduces new ones to address emerging forms of crime. The BNSS 2023 outlines the procedure for investigating and prosecuting crimes. It emphasizes speed, efficiency, and the use of technology. Lastly, the BSA 2023 modernizes the rules of evidence, recognizing the importance of electronic evidence in contemporary investigations. These 3 laws are interlinked and work together to create a more comprehensive and robust criminal justice framework. One of the most significant changes introduced by the BNS 2023 is the concept of community service as a punishment for minor offences. This marks a departure from the traditional reliance on imprisonment, which often has detrimental effects on offenders and society. Community service, on the other hand, allows offenders to make amends for their wrongdoing while also contributing to society. This approach is particularly relevant in the Indian context, where prisons are often overcrowded and lack adequate rehabilitation programs. By offering an alternative form of punishment, the new law aims to reduce the prison population and promote the reintegration of offenders into society. The introduction of community service aligns with the principles of restorative justice, which emphasize repairing the harm caused by crime and fostering a sense of responsibility in offenders. Section 4. Modern Tools for Modern Crimes, Forensic Investigation and Electronic Evidence. Recognizing the increasing sophistication of crime, the new laws place a strong emphasis on the use of forensic investigation and electronic evidence. The BNSS 2023 mandates forensic examination in all cases where the punishment is 7 years or more. This will ensure that scientific evidence plays a more prominent role in criminal investigations and trials. Similarly, the BSA 2023 recognizes electronic evidence as admissible in court. This is crucial in the digital age, where much of our communication and transactions occur online. The law provides clear guidelines for the collection, preservation, and presentation of electronic evidence, ensuring its reliability and integrity. These changes reflect a commitment to using modern tools and techniques to combat crime effectively. They will enhance the accuracy and reliability of investigations and trials, leading to a fairer and more just legal system. Section 5. Efficiency and victim focus, the cornerstones of the new system. Efficiency and victim centricity are the 2 key pillars of the reformed criminal justice system. The BNSS 2023 introduces strict timelines for each stage of the criminal justice process, from the filing of a First Information Report, or FIR, to the conclusion of the trial. This aims to expedite cases and reduce the backlog that has plagued the Indian judicial system. Moreover, the new laws recognize the rights of victims and provide them with a greater role in the criminal justice process. Victims are now entitled to receive information about the progress of their cases and to be heard at various stages. The law also mandates the establishment of victim support services to provide emotional, psychological, and legal assistance. These changes reflect a shift towards a more victim-centric approach, ensuring that the needs and rights of victims are given due consideration. Section 6. A brighter future for justice in India. The overhaul of India's criminal law is a monumental task, and its success will depend on a multitude of factors, including effective implementation, adequate resources, and a change in mindset among stakeholders. However, the reforms represent a significant step in the right direction and hold the promise of a brighter future for justice in India. These changes are not merely about updating laws. They are about creating a justice system that is fairer, more efficient, and more responsive to the needs of its citizens. They are about ensuring that the scales of justice are balanced, upholding the rule of law, and building a safer and more just society for all. As we embark on this new chapter, I am filled with a sense of hope that these reforms will usher in an era of true justice in India.